Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Luis Cryptolu, as the channel kind of shows somewhere. Anyway, let's go to we come here tonight to talk about it. I've been doing lately some type of review or analysis on the stock market. And today I was interest situation that, as you guys can see it, and stock named Ulta Beauty. It dropped 15%. The stock was trading somewhere around 520 and then dropped for 430 post market. And right now it's trading actually already probably closed at 436 and 440. So as you can see, some of those options on the put side pay like incredible. I've been seeing over here the biggest one, as far as I can see, is a 45. It was trading at somewhere from 42.60 to 48.20. So I think the mark is 41.60, which is $4,160. If I'm not mistaken, this one should be probably close to zero, or like a penny stock. So it was 10 cents, pretty much, close to nothing. And opened at $1,900 and trade all the way up. Normally they pay the bid $42.60. You probably, the bid and ask was too big, $560. So the strike price is 45 right now. Stock at 440, so it's still some in the range of 40,000%. Because I think it was zero. It should be zero. It was zero. It was like normally zero translating on 5 cents. You never. I don't know why we never able to buy at 1 cent. The minimum we buy is 5 cents. So put it this way, $5. And then we were to make it $4,160. That's Ulta Beauty. I'm not sure why, but looked like the guide was bad. The guidance was bad. Share of Ulta Beauty fell 15% on Wednesday after the company warned that demand appeared to be cooling. Loop Capital Markets Managing Director Anthony Schucman told Yahoo Finance the announcement was a little surprising, given that the beauty retailer released earnings just 3 weeks ago. So kind of like, I really don't understand the situation on that, why they come up with that, why they did that. So unbelievable. It was someone actually made so much money. It was like crazy. So right now we're looking at trading view, and on the trading view, as you can see it, you should analyze in the weekly chart. Let's take a look more deeply. So it's being, I believe I was following this stock somewhere around down here in the 230, and then I got some plays around this area in the 300. As you can see, I didn't do much good because the price kind of like sideways for about almost 2 years into 2022, when they print this big candle over here on May the 22. Which was 23%. Just a second, guys. Sorry. So anyway, from there the price was back and forth, and then kind of like went all the way up to 553, then dropped dramatic at 438, Actually, a little below what that we have right now. Actually, then after that, recuperated and dip it again. The 369 at October last year, and then from October last year we had this bull market, and then hit it at the beginning of the year. I was thinking like the sell may go away, started in March, and pretty much right now dropped 15% today. We are April 3rd, so this is the weekly chart. It showed like April 1st, but then the first day of the week, it was Monday. So looking at the day chart, we have a couple gaps. We have one gap over here, and we have another gap over here. Sometimes my computer is not working properly. So two gaps. Actually, another one that I see it. Is this small one in this location. And if you go back a little bit, we have another gap over here. More gaps. Not going to take consideration down in this price over here because it's too far away, which is about 2022. So we see here some more gaps down here. Gap up. You got one here, and you got another one here. Got too big. Okay, but as you can see, the price always fill it up the gaps prior to this one. So now if you're looking at the gap situation, let's make this one, and let's go down a little bit more. This right here, extend it this way. So at this moment, we pretty much filling up this gap right now on the UTA. So basically, either the price is gonna recuperate it from here, or am I gonna continue tracking to the downside, hitting the 370 support. So I'm being worked with a couple 6 to be more exactly indicators. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna erase this gap, and let's go to the first one, MSBOB. So in the MSBOB, as you can see, the only thing that we have is the support down here in a 360, 370 price. So then we have a Tux EMA scalper, which kind of like indicator to me the sell position right over here at the top. You got the sell. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. And this line kind of like show me also the push down on the price. Then I have this is in Portuguese, setas de compra e venda, with this arrow, the buy and sell. All the arrows point to the sell side so far. Then I got this Auto SR by Get Emotion, which is actually this kind of like show me the small line is over here for the resistance and the support. So the next support, it's 403 at the day chart. We're probably going to take a look more in depth. It is not even like a traded on the I'm gonna say earnings. This 3 weeks after the earnings. This trauma looks at algo. It's the red line over here. So if the candle is below the trauma, it's a short position. It looks algo trend lines with the break. Kind of show me way late, which I'm gonna take this off because it only show me the sell side today. Every other indicator, actually the confirmation of the sell side, but every single one was gonna show me way before him. This one, even the trauma crossed the line over here, so started trading below at this point on March. This candle would have been nice, but my sell positions on my arrow and my sell would be perfectly positioned. So I'm down to 5 indicators right now, and as you can see, the next support's 4 or 5. Probably can buy this put or just let it go, because after that the next one it's 370s. So that's my analysis on that Ulta Beauty. Today we had stock that normally I don't play because it's only 2 digits, but I decided to do it. It shows the price in 1866, but it went after, hopefully show up tomorrow, whatever was after market, which is was something around $20. Actually trading right here at $20.18. Pretty much that price. Let's take everything else. Then you guys can see better. Price trading right now at $20.20. So, but then we have this. Well, we create a little support at this price. 2 resistance close back to back at 2030 and 2035. Hopefully we break this up. I got my place and I'm gonna show it to you guys in a little bit. Also, on the news, we have Disney. Let's bring to you guys Disney. Disney dropped today 3%, trading right now 118 with the support at 118. So it might be holding over there in the support area. Let's take a look in the day chart more in depth. So the next support for the day chart is $113. I might drop this tomorrow because a lot of people wasn't not happy with the proxy results today. Bob Iger sit on the board. The guy Peltz just did not made it. So he still got 30%, which is somebody saying was incredible. Kind of traded just a little bit above of resistance, but again the next action, the weekly chart, the next support, it's 110. And the day chart, let's take a look. A little bit up, 113. So let's see if that's happening tomorrow or the next day. If they continue shorting the stock, going down. So moving forward, we did a play. Play did it pretty good. Make some cash on here. I lost on the put because the stock went up. I was about just to short the stock, and then I just felt you know what, I didn't feel right. It went up 10% actually. So the Bulls, congratulations, they won this fight, and so that's pretty much it on play. So another one was Tesla. Tesla made a mistake. Only $10 mistake so far at this moment, but as you can see, it's heavily short from the 290s. But if you look at the weekly, I even actually, let's take all the indicators off. Let's show you guys what I did. I draw this line on a channel, which is the down channel for the short position, and as you can see it, I was pretty much right on it. Actually, right now, I think at this point we're gonna what they call the consolidated. Probably gonna be a side trade for the rest of the year, or at least for the next earnings, which is sometime close to, okay, what is this? It's gonna be this month still, Tuesday the 23rd of April of this month. So, but as you can see it, the channel is very visible on the downside. Low highs. It broke over here at this point, but actually, then you got this very low high, and then another low high. So it's going down big time. So it's trading this way. And also my indicators. This one, the blocks, big time short. All the sell signs. The arrows also showing the sell. This one, that's one sell, and this one is the support. It's trading right on the support right now, and then the trauma. I'm gonna change the trauma line for black and make a little fat line. So the tremor line is like the candles way below the tremor line, so that means short positions. So that's Tesla. And two things that I normally, one, I made a big mistake. Should I hold this forever? This is gold. On gold, I should, made a big mistake. I bought for long 220, I think. Oh my god. Still going high. Silver 27, creating a support right now. Big support here 26. So far we're not seeing, probably gonna see on the weekly. Yeah, we just, the next resistance at 28. So as soon as we pass 28, it should be good. Silver and gold and oil, they say go to 300. From 120, we got big shorts at 120. So right now, we have this resistance up to 90, and then we go up to 120, which is look like the all-time high. Now it's this one, 146. They say they might go up to $300. This was 2008. 2008 was 146. Okay. Gonna be a nightmare. What else? Okay. Of course, I had to look at a Bitcoin and the weekly. We at support. See the day chart. We are in the support line. I think should be good. We're good for Bitcoin. And what else? Ethereum. Also trade the support. Should be okay. Big pressure, the bear side. Hopefully the bulls push up after the what we call the halving. So this It's option strat. It is my plays that I have saved for this week and next week. For some reason, I thought that BlackRock would be good, so it started with the BlackRock is right at the top at this point, losing 12.50. Max profit is $480. This what it call the buy call, sell call. It's a bull call spread that I'm losing money right now. For me to make money, the price has to move 17% all the way up to the 12, which is next week, which is not gonna happen. I think of the earnings probably in the following week, or actually the earnings is right at the 12 at Friday. Well, you never know. Normally this stock and the earnings move it should be in the morning, so I had to hold this all the way down, all the way up to the 12, I think, because I don't see this moving next week. Probably if you move say about 10%, less 5%, because my try was how much? I don't even know. I think it was $20. Yeah, if you move 5%, I'm profit, so I'm gonna get out. I don't know. I'll wait until the end and make $500 if the price go up somewhere around 10%. Right here. Gotta go 12, 911. Wow, we see. So that's BlackRock. For the 12 for this week, deadly. I lost $35, $8.95 call for the April 5th. Not good. And then the miracle. Then Disney. I already cashed out $100. So I'm down at 51. So I have one put for tomorrow at 116. And then 2 calls for next week, just in case we have this bounce and go up. So if your stock move another 3% up and down, I make money. 3 to 4%, I make money. All the way up to next week. Actually, say if you move 4.5%. Move 4.5%, I'm good this week and good next week. Pretty good. And I hold this, I sell this, and make some money. Actually, yeah, it only showed the 5th. Yeah, that's okay. I'm good. If you go down and then bounce back. Anyway, that's Disney. After the news, already cashed 100. So this Donald Trump. Right now, I'm not making anything. I'm gonna hold all the way to the end. Is the 5th. It's if the price is still, holds on the 48, 49, all the way up to 54, because this is a bull call spread again. I buy the 48 call and I sell the 48.50. So probably gonna make $50. Then we got the Levi last minute play. So I bought like $18 put, $20 call. And I sold the $18 put at the same expiration, the $20 call, the 19th for not this coming week, but the following week. But the 18 put is for the next month, May 17th. So right now, this is kind of like, it's a custom, but it's more like bullish side. And if the price go up somewhere between today and tomorrow, already it's a 10%, some 2020, so 8.6. So if you go 10%, I'm gonna collect this kind of cash over here. Probably gonna be profit something around, if I'm not mistaken, $80, I would say. Let me see. This Levi. Then play. I close one leg of this, so I think I break even in this one because this cost me 20. Yeah, I think I break even on that. Unless the price drop next week. PVH after earnings, I thought that I actually still doing it, but not as much aggressive that I thought. The price dropped 20% and drop another 4%, something like that. And right now I was about for $10. No, about for $30. About for $30. So I'm losing $20. Yeah. Okay. This is a long put on PVH. Tesla. Oh my god. What is so dumb. Price was dropping because, bad deliveries. I thought it gonna continue to drop, but then hit like a support and the price kind of stopped. Probably gonna side trade. $11 on the drain so far. Last but not least, UVXY. I call UVIX because it's some VIX kind of related. So it went up to $6.50. So I got the $7 call. Right now I'm losing $15. I purchased for $35. It costs right now something around $20. So that's the price somewhere right here, and at 20 and 19, something like that. $6.56. Let me show you what I'm thinking. This is gonna have some for next week. They're not saying today, but I noticed back in the before. I'm gonna show it to you guys right now. All right. We're in a day chart. I don't know why it's acting this way. Okay. We're in a day chart for UVXY. And as you can see it down here, Thursday, the 11th, day before the earnings from BlackRock and before the weekly from the banks. This is going to split 5-1. So each 5 stocks going to become 1. Meaning, so if the price stay at $6.59, it's going to jump to $30. Got 2 things that might happen over here. So when the price is high on the VIX or UVIX, the dollar go up normally, and the stock markets has a tendency. I don't know why. I'm guessing because it's a computer thing, so I'm guessing they read it as the market's gonna drop, because the UVIX went up. So when this stock normally or the VIX go up in price, the stock markets has correction in the big ways. I'm gonna show you what I'm saying. Let me see if it didn't show you. So let's take a look. The last split. So the last one was not too long ago. It was right here. With 10-1. Each 10 stocks become 1. If I'm not mistaken, 19, $20. So it was $2. Let's go back before that. I have another one. This one right here, 21st, 10 to 1. And this was a split. Of course, when we're looking at the price over here, the price is already built on the split. So this $386. May 21st, May 26th of May 2021. That was a split, so 377. And this how much? 10 to 1. Thought they have one was $40. I went $4 went up to $40. Thought it was the other one right there. June 23rd. Yeah, the stock market went up on October. See, the price spiked over here to 22. And then October, we hit the bottom. September. So the October hit the bottom. Stock market went up. October. Okay, yeah. So on October 27, the market hit the bottom, so it's $19, and then it dives. Happens a couple months after. I'm pretty much sure this is gonna have some correlation with next week with the price. It dropped. I draw on July inverse cup and handle, and we have the big correction from the market hitting the bottom and then went up big time. So right now started to kind of cross the trauma line. We could call over here probably as a resistance in this line over here. And for the next week, because the UVIX gonna split, stock's gonna dip probably like close to 5%. That's my guess. So I think I cover everything that I did. So this, they're gonna split on the 11. So this contract is 10, 700. So they're gonna be, I don't even know how did I do the math. Let me hold this, because if this go 35%, I think it's gonna go to, that's too much, I don't know, 400, probably 60% is too much, so it's something around 50%. It might go up to $10, so the VIX gonna hit like 100. So then probably got this much, $300. And this probably SPY is gonna dive in close to this support over here in a 47.82. That could be something. So 470. So it's like 50 points, like 10%. Maybe. Let's see. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. And this is my review analysis on the market. Hopefully you guys like it, enjoying. So always subscribe. And thanks for watching. And see you next time.